Well, today I'm going to talk about ENT instruments we use in examination of an ENT patient. So just stay with me and I'll try to make it simple and easy for you. So let's just start, shall we? Well, we've got a whole list of OPD ENT instruments here, and first of all I'll just name the instruments for you, and then we'll come to show you the instruments individually. So first of all, there is a good headlight for ENT examination. Then we have got a tongue depressor. Then we have got thirticum nasal speculum. Then we have got ear speculum. Then we have got laryngeal mirror, also called indirect laryngoscopy mirror. And we have got nasopharyngeal mirror, also called posterior rhinoscopy mirror. Then we've got Tilly's forceps. Alright, then we have got here crocodile forceps, and we've got Jobson horn probe, then we've got tuning fork, we've got oroscope, also called otoscope, we've got ear syringe, we've got suction nozzle, and we've got gauze pieces, cotton wool, and the spirit lamp. So, welcome back, viewers. The instrument I have been talking to you about, I'm just going to show you now. This is what we call an ENT headlight. We fix it on our head and illuminate the patient's nose or ear or throat and examine it. And this here is called the tongue depressor, right? And here is the ear speculum, if you can show it, all right? And here we've got thirticum nasal speculum. Thirticum nasal speculum. Then we've got this here. It's called the laryngeal mirror. We also call it indirect laryngoscopy mirror. Okay? And then we've got a nasopharyngeal mirror. It's also called posterior rhinoscopy mirror. Then we've got this instrument here. It's called the oroscope or otoscope. And here we've got a pump in order to check the mobility of the eardrum with it. Then here is the ear syringe. It's a metallic syringe we use for syringing the ears. Here is the tuning fork, on which a frequency is engraved, by which we use 512 cycles per second type of frequency. So some other people may use 256 cycles per second tuning fork for it. Now here is the suction nozzle, and this instrument we call Jobson horn probe, and this instrument here is the Tilly's forceps, and this instrument we call the crocodile forceps. Crocodile forceps, because its mouth opens like a crocodile. Okay? Now we come to the uses of these instruments.